Syntax highlighting is crucial for code readability because it visually distinguishes different elements within the code, such as the keywords, the variables and operators. It makes it easier for other programmers and other readers of your code to quickly identify the structure and meaning of the code. Using syntax highlighting reduces cognitive load and it enables faster comprehension, especially when dealing with complex code bases or when the readers of your code are people that are not highly trained in writing codes. By visually separating different code components with distinct colors, programmers can easily differentiate between the keywords, the functions, the strings, the comments and other elements of the code, thereby leading to a clearer understanding of the code logic, because mismatched brackets or missing quotes will stand out due to their color difference. When multiple developers are working on the same code, syntax highlighting makes it easier to navigate and understand each other's code. By visually highlighting different code elements, it becomes simpler to locate the source of a problem within the code. The visual codes provided by syntax highlighting lessen the mental effort required to pass through code, thereby allowing developers to focus on the logic rather than the basic syntax. Remember, when you write a code, other people will read the code. You have to make it easier for them to read and understand. You have to lessen the cognitive burden for them. So I hope from today you start using syntax highlighting to accommodate other people and help them to understand the code you write.
Thank you for learning here.